Hi everyone, it's me, Dark Ephemera, Dark Arts and Crafts, and welcome to this ASMR, quiet talking, just a little chat, unboxing for you. And what are we unboxing today? Well, it's paper, my favorite thing. Paper, paper, paper. So at the end of 2020, December of 2020, Echo Park paper, links below, they were selling for $50 and free shipping. I forget what they called it. They called it, it's just a mixed mystery box of just random stuff. That end of year clearance box or something like that. Anyway, I ordered the box and I got it, and boy howdy, it's got a lot of stuff in it. So let's start taking a look at it. I'm really excited. So let's go. I'm going to start with a 12 by 12 paper pad. Oh boy, this one's called Summer Adventure. 24 single-sided pages. My cloth is kind of coming undone. There we go. Just one at the end here, I think. Echo Park is a little cutesier than I'm used to, but I'm sure there's something I can use in some of this paper. So let's take a look at Summer Adventure by Lori Whitlock. Awesome. Cool camping, hiking background piece. A little cartoony starry sky. I like that the stars are different colors. It's nice. Oh, background for a fisherman. A cute fish. These are 3 by 4 journaling cards. All sort of camping related. Four by 6 journaling cards. I like ones with no words on them. I like this one. Backpacks. A bunch of backpacks. This is nice. Compasses. Very good. Colorful tints. Another colorful background. Oh, more cartoon stars, but with constellations this time. Four by 4 journaling cards. Canoes. This looks like the first page. Oh, I wonder if it's a repeat. Yep. I'm sensing a repeat. Go See Do. I like that. I do like this compass sheet. Compasses are cool. This looks like they could be cut out in strips if you want to do borders or something. I wonder if any of these constellations are real. I don't know constellations that much. I know Orion. He's very distinctive. And that's it. Oh, what is this? A big blank piece of paper. How odd. I think that last piece of the 12 by 12 white piece of paper is probably the most useful thing for me. 24 single-sided papers, but 2 sheets of each. I don't know, is it 48 sheets or 12? Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, so there's 12 designs, 2 sheets of each, 24 papers. Okay, let's dig in the box and grab something else. Oh no, I need to put these somewhere. I guess I'll just start a pile on the floor. This is a package. I'll open it. I didn't get the items out. Okay. Once upon a time, mini paper fans. It's got a little gluey stick on the back. Once upon a time, a dragon, a prince. These are thick pieces that are glued on there. Pretty nice. I guess those are used as decoration. Next up is a Christmas washi tape roll. Let's see, and if it's called Jolly Snowflakes. And here's the image of it right there very clearly. I think that's very nice that they use, this is cardboard, and they use that to show the design clearly. And then that's the tape itself. I'm not very good at showing close-up things. Jolly Snowflakes, it's called. I think all these products are going to be exclusive Echo Park products. I'm going to put the washi tape over here because I have a washi tape collection and I know exactly where that's going to go. Okay, next. Puffy Stickers. They certainly are. Let's see. Dive into Summer. So, pool, beachy stuff, shells, fun in the sun. No, fun and sun. Hello, summertime. Pineapple. More decor. Sticky. Puffy stickers. Cool. Let's get another pack of paper. My favorite thing. Dig deep. Yes. Alright, this one's called The Great Outdoors. So, it says, it's a kit. It's one of the kits, so it has a lot of stuff in it. 12 by 12 double-sided textured papers, including cover. 12 by 12 sticker sheet. Okay. So, kits are different than paper packs. Let's take a look at this. Okay. Great Outdoors. So here's the cover. And on the opposite side of the cover are 4 by 3 journaling cards. And some of them have this wonderful, like, very old-fashioned vibe to them. Like camping in the 1950s. I love this. I love anything that's like a schematic. I love this cookie map. That's weird, but cool. Is she collecting fireflies, I guess? Okay, that's one. Next up, we have this stripy background. The color palette is muted, so it's not a bright green or a bright red or a bright blue. And kind of old-fashioned vibe to it. And the other side is the exact same thing. So another set of 4 by 3 journaling cards. Cool. Next page, again, very old-fashioned-y 1950s vibe of people camping, hanging out with animals. And the other side is really crazy looking tartan. I don't know why. It's just something weird about the way it... Anyway, it's cool. The second sheet. I feel like you'd want to cut these people out. You know, be like that. Use that, you know, instead of using the whole sheet as a background. This is nice. These are the animals. These trees are really cool. They almost look medieval, more medieval, like this is from a tapestry or something. Very cool. A fox. Squirrel. Little bear. And the opposite side is little kitschy flowers. Yep, very kitschy. If I was making a dollhouse from the 1950s, I'd use this as wallpaper. Second sheet of Forest Friends. And more kitschy wallpaper. Oh, these are cute. These are like Cub Scout badges. I don't know what they would be for. For breaking into a house. For stealing horseshoes from a horse. For being chased by a bull and being chased by a bear. Who knows? Whew. More tart that's practically an optical illusion. Hoo-wee. Oh man. It's such a large pattern. I don't dislike a plaid, but that's a big plaid. Second sheet. Very nice. quite nice. That was called Badges, that other sheet. I like it. Weird flowers. I'm not sure. I think I would try to fussy cut around some of these flowers. They're not overlapping. It'd be tight, but I think you could probably do that. Yeah, as individual elements, I kind of like these. That's something to do while you're watching a movie that you're not that interested in, is to fussy cut around these flowers. This is super nice. I'm glad there's 2 sheets of this, because this is actually a cool background. I really like it. Very nice. And that sheet was called Wildflowers. Wildflowers. Cool starry backgrounds. Okay. In the other pack we looked at, there were cartoon fish. These are very realistic looking fish. Salmon, I'd say. Kind of a basket weave, I guess. This page is called Gone Fishing. So, in these paper packs, in these sets, a lot of these papers are sold individually. You usually have to buy 25 of them. So, just FYI. And that's that. And then you've got a 12 by 12 sticker sheet set. Okay, so a lot of things that we've seen, a lot of the people, these animals, this kicky car. Oh, and it's attached to that. That's very cool. Oh, look, some of those flowers as smaller elements. Oh, that's nice. Adventure. The badges. A couple of badges. That's nice. Very good. A couple of cool things. I love that tree. That was in the Forest Friends. It's a great tree. All right. Put that down here. And I think we have time for one more thing in the box. Just one more. I think one of these cardboard things. Yeah. Chipboard phrases. Let's take those out. Merry Christmas, chipboard phrases. Adhesive. Oh, interesting. Very Christmassy. Elements, little elements, very small. Some tags. This one has a hole in it that you can punch out. And yep, I feel it. This is an adhesive back. So once you punch them out, they're stickers. Cool. I'm in the middle of reorganizing some of my space, but I'm always approached by these pretty large. It's probably 12 inches by maybe 6 inches. Doesn't fit in a normal kind of something that's meant for 8.5 by 11. So I've been punching them out. Takes a second, but anyway, this is just the tip of the iceberg of what's in the box. But I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to leave my videos to be not terribly long. I don't want to take up too much time, but what did we look at in the Echo Park end of year set? We've got these chipboard phrases that are adhesive, some summertime sticky puffy stickers, Christmassy washi tape, what's called? It's a paper kit. Paper kit called The Great Outdoors. Sheets of paper and stickers. And oops. Forgot these. Stickies. These are cool. And a regular pack of paper, 12 by 12, single-sided, called Summer Adventure. Let's see if I can pull some of these out. Cool. That's a lot of stuff. I love a end-of-year clearance sale box. I've gotten a couple in the past, and this is my first one from Echo Park. So far, it's been pretty good. Stylistically, a lot of what Echo Park does is not really in my style, but hey, I can always do something with it. So, thank you very much for watching. This has been Dark Ephemera, and I hope all of your summer holidays, Christmases, and Halloweens are wonderful. Thank you. See you again.